Hello children, today I will continue with part 3 of Act 2, Scene 2. In the previous part we learnt that Lancelot was trying to fool his father, and so he gives his father a very confusing direction to Shylock's house. Then later on, in order to bring tears into his father's eyes, that is to make him cry, he tells him that his son Lancelot is dead. But then after some time, Lancelot decides that he will stop fooling with his father, and then he tells his father the truth, that he himself is Lancelot, his son. But now Gobbo, that is his father, is not willing to believe. So in order to make his father believe, Lancelot tells him about his mother. He mentions the name of his mother, which makes Gobbo believe that Lancelot is indeed his son. And then Lancelot also gives a reason that he was leaving Shylock's service because he had to go hungry. He had to remain hungry. He was not given proper food in Shylock's house. So he had decided to go and work for Bassanio. And while they were talking, Bassanio comes there. Now I will continue. Enter Bassanio with Leonardo and other followers. So here Bassanio comes with Leonardo. Leonardo is a servant of his and other followers. Bassanio, you may do so, but let it be so hasted that supper be ready at the farthest by 5 of the clock. Now here Bassanio is giving instructions to a servant, and he's telling the servant to do certain things. So he tells the servant to, you may do so, that is, he may do whatever work he has been given, but let it be so hasted. Hasted means fast. So let it be so fast that supper should be ready farthest. Farthest means latest by 5 o'clock. See these letters delivered, put the liveries to making, and desire Gratiano to come anon to my lodging. And then he also gives certain other duties also to the servant, and he tells the servant to see that the letters, he gives him certain letters and tells him to see that the letters are delivered, and put the liveries to making, and he tells the servant to arrange for the uniforms to be made. And then desire here means request, and then request Gratiano to come anon. Anon means immediately to my lodging, that is to his house. So these are all certain duties given to a servant by Bassanio. Exit a servant. So the servant goes away to do his duty. Lancelot, to him father. So Lancelot tells his father to go to Bassanio. Gobbo, God bless your worship. So Gobbo approaches Bassanio and says that may God bless him. Bassanio, gramercy, wouldest thou aught with me? Now Bassanio, gramercy. Gramercy means he thank you so much. So Bassanio thanks Gobbo for the blessing that he has given. And then he asks, wouldest thou aught with me? That is, would you like to have anything from me? What do you want from me? Gobbo, here's my son, sir, a poor boy. So Gobbo continues and he says that here his son is there, and he is a poor boy. Lancelot, not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jew's man. So Lancelot interrupts his father and says that he is not a poor boy, but he is the rich Jew's man. Man here means servant. That is, he means to say that he is the rich Shylock's servant. He is not a poor man. That he would, sir, as my father shall specify. And then Launcelot says that that would, sir. That means he wishes to say something, but that will be specify. Specify means explain. That desire, whatever he wants to say to Bassanio, will be explained by his father. Gobbo, he hath a great infection, sir, as one would say to sir. So Gobbo says that he hath a great infection. Now here, children, a wrong word has been used. So instead of infection, the actual word should be affection there. So it has just been used by Shakespeare to bring a comic effect. So Gobbo says that Launcelot had a great affection to serve, that is, to serve people. Launcelot, indeed, the short and the long is, I serve the Jew and have a desire as my father shall specify. Again, Launcelot interrupts and says that the short and the long is. Short and the long is, that phrase means all that needs to be said. So Launcelot says that, or in short, whatever is to be said is that I serve the Jew. He serves the Jew and he has a desire which will be specified, which will be explained by his father. Gobbo, his master and he, saving your worship's reverence, are scarce cater cousins. So then Gobbo continues and tells Bassanio that his master and he, that is Shylock and Launcelot, saving your worship's reverence. Now here, saving your worship's reverence is a phrase and the meaning is with all due respect, sir. So Gobbo just adds that in order to show respect towards Bassanio. And then he says they are scarce cater cousins. That is, Launcelot and his master were scarce means hardly, and cater cousins means good friends. They were hardly good friends. So Gobbo is trying to say that Shylock and Launcelot, they did not get along with each other. They were not very good friends with each other. Launcelot, to be brief, the very truth is that the Jew, having done me wrong, doth cause me, as my father being, I hope, an old man shall fructify unto you. And then Launcelot says, to be brief, that is, in short, the truth is that the Jew has done him wrong, and that his father, who is an old man, will fructify. Fructify also, again, a wrong word has been used. Instead of fructify, the word should be notify. So it will be, the truth will be, the whatever Launcelot wants, it will be said by Gobbo, his father. Gobbo, I have here a dish of doves that I would bestow upon your worship, and my suit is. And then Gobbo tells that he had brought a dish of doves and he wanted to bestow. Bestow means give. And he wanted to give it upon your worship, that is to Bassanio. And my suit is. Suit here means request. And then he wants to express his request. Launcelot, in very brief, the suit is impertinent to myself. Now Launcelot says that in very brief, that is in very short, the suit is impertinent. Now again, children, you see that a wrong word has been used. Instead of impertinent, Launcelot means pertinent, and pertinent means concerning. So Launcelot says that the request is concerning himself, that is, the request is related to him. As your worship shall know by this honest old man. And Bassanio will come to know about that request from this honest old man, that is from his father Gobbo. And though I say it, though old man, yet poor man my father. And Launcelot says that his father was both an old and poor man. Bassanio, one speak for both, what would you? Now here Bassanio is a bit confused, and he doesn't understand what both are saying, because both of them, both Launcelot and Gobbo, they are interrupting each other and speaking. So Bassanio says that instead of both of them speaking like that, it is better that one should speak for both. What would you? What do you want? Launcelot, serve you, sir. So straight away Launcelot tells Bassanio that he wanted to serve him. Gobbo, that is the very defect of the matter, sir. Again, the defect word has been used. Here Gobbo actually means effect. So Gobbo tells Bassanio that this is the very effect, in short, that is the gist of the matter. Bassanio, I know thee well, thou hast obtained thy suit. Shylock thy master spoke with me this day and hath preferred thee. So Bassanio says that he knows Launcelot and his father very well, and so thou hast obtained thy suit. That is, he has got his request. That is, Bassanio is ready to grant Launcelot's request. Shylock thy master spoke with me this day. And he also tells them that Shylock had spoken to him about Launcelot that day and had preferred thee. Preferred means and had recommended Launcelot to Bassanio. If it is preferment to leave a rich Jew's service to become the follower of so poor a gentleman. And here Bassanio says that he is ready to accept Launcelot as his servant if it is preferment. Preferment means if Launcelot considers it a promotion to leave a rich Jew's service, that is the rich Shylock service, and to become the follower, that is to become the servant of so poor a gentleman like him. So Bassanio tells Launcelot that he is a poor man. So if he considers it a promotion to leave the rich man's service, that is the rich Shylock service, and become the servant of a poor man like Bassanio, then he is ready to come and serve him. Launcelot, the old proverb is very well parted between my master Shylock and you, sir. You have the grace of God, sir, and he had enough. Now here Launcelot tries to explain what he wants to say by saying that there is an old proverb which is very well parted. Parted means divided between his master Shylock and you, that is between Shylock and Bassanio. You have the grace of God, sir, and he had enough. And Launcelot tells Bassanio that he had the grace of God, that is, he had got the blessings of God, whereas he had enough, whereas Shylock had enough wealth. So Bassanio had got the blessings of God, and on the other hand Shylock had all the riches that he wanted. Now here the old proverb is the grace of God is gear enough. Now this means that a man who has got the blessings of God has got all that he wants, has got all that he needs for salvations. So here Launcelot means to say that when you get the blessings of God, that is much greater than all the riches that you have. Bassanio, thou speakest it well. Bassanio is impressed by what Launcelot says, and he says that he has spoken very well. Go, father, with thy son. Take leave of thy old master. Then Bassanio tells Gobbo to go with his son and take leave of thy old master. He tells Launcelot to go and take leave of his old master, that is Shylock, to go and say goodbye to Shylock. and inquire my lodging out. Inquire means find out, and find out where Bassanio's house is, so that Lancelot can go there and start his work. To his followers, give him a livery more guarded than his fellows, see it done. And then Bassanio gives instructions to his followers also to give Lancelot a livery. Livery means a uniform more guarded, that is more decorated than his fellows. So Bassanio wants Lancelot to be given a more decorated uniform than the other servants. See it done. So Bassanio tells his followers to make sure that it is done. Now this much is enough for today, children. I hope you have understood. Listen to the explanation carefully and note down all the important points and meanings and revise.